saw a hen and her little chicks. Lamb went to see the hen. Hen, hen, will you be my mother? Cluck, cluck, cluck. I'm a hen. I can't be your mother. Besides, I have my hands full of my chicks. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Lamb was beginning to lose hope. Will I ever find a mother?
What?
Then Lamb saw a boy walking home from school. Boy, boy, will you be my mother? I'm a boy. I can't be your mother. Now Lamb began to cry harder and harder. Mom, 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 Mom. The boy began to walk away, but he turned back and said, and the lamb walked off into the sunset together. Family are those who love you.
Good job, Ivana. Woo! There she is. There's Grammy.